Okay. Okay. All right. All right. Back to work. Back to work. Yeah, I really don't. Well, okay. Yeah, I guess people just got different trading styles. Okay. I guess. I guess. I guess. That's just weird. All right. All right. So I'm gonna just start just only focusing on the ES from now on. I really don't even, or the ES, the Nasdaq. Mm. Yeah, I think this thing's just playing with me now. Alright, so what would today be? Today would be like what? Wow. If I didn't see it for myself, I wouldn't have believed it. I wouldn't have believed it if I didn't see it for myself. Price is literally trading in a 62-point range. So what would we say? We've like okay, so the market has definitely been trending. Like these legs are trending legs, but the overall price action for the last couple of days have been range days. I mean, the last, I mean, yeah, these are range days right here. These are ranges. I would call this a bearish range or a bullish range because we got this leg taking out pre-market's high. We also got this one taking out pre-market's high, but overall, we're trending. We're making higher lows low key. We're not making the higher highs yet. We've made an equal or just about equal high, but we're making higher lows. I mean, that's the start of a trend. If we can get this leg to pop up and close above 732 tomorrow, that would technically be a trend. So I need to actually update this and call that a bullish range. And today was also a bullish range. I think I'm gonna just call these. I'm gonna add. I'm gonna start adding TR or TLs onto this. Or actually, no. I'm gonna start calling these trending ranges. Yeah, I'm gonna start calling these trending ranges. Trending ranges. I'm not gonna go back. I'm just moving forward. I'm gonna start calling these trending ranges because obviously these are trending legs, but the whole price action is a big giant range. So who was able to? Hopefully, you was able to survive this price action. I will say that the Nasdaq with one contract is definitely a hell of a drug. My God, is the Nasdaq one hell of a drug? I just kept dipping back in. I kept saying that I was going to be done, that I had enough. I made enough money today, and I just kept getting back in. She kept calling me. Uh, the one thing that I didn't like that she was doing all day was like, look at what she's doing as support. Look at what she's doing. She's sweeping support every time she's testing it. Not only did she sweep support once, they came back, swept it twice, and they came back and swept it a third time. And then they tried to come back and sweep it again. They swept support so often that you would think that this market was going to reverse in the moment. Now, I made a comment earlier that once you go back and look at the price action, it's going to look like, dang, all these levels. Yeah, I mean, she did a double top, she did a head and shoulders, she broke structure, she came back, found support, started the trend, and that all of this was going to look like regular price action as it stands still, as it's already cemented in history. But obviously, anybody that traded this today knew, and they know that this was some dangerous price action. It had a lot of bullish momentum as the market began to grind down. Every time the bulls popped this thing right back up, the bears sold it right back down. And that kind of, it does have my mind kind of thinking at the moment. And what I mean by that, it's, you know what? Maybe that's how we should start to see the NASDAQ. I mean, she's very manipulative. She was manipulating a lot of bulls today into thinking that the market was going to go higher. But because these pops were so full of bullish momentum, you thought that you would think, or you would have thought that the bulls were going to take over. That's how much momentum these little pops had. But when the bears finally stepped in, these moves down, they were slow. They were grinding. They had no movement behind it. They had no power behind it. Prices kept grinding down slowly. And for those with eyes for the market to see, I mean, it was kind of obvious that the market was downtrending, but it was also obvious that if you went short, you would have lost money because every time you went short, the market would have stopped you out just to continue going in the direction of the short. So today was very dangerous today. Either it was another replay from yesterday. Either you made a lot of money or you blew your account. There was really no in between that today. There was really no escaping that at all. And I will say that trading one contract, you can make a lot of mistakes. You can make a lot of mistakes before you start getting into that blown account territory. If you have a smaller account trading maybe three to five micro contracts, honestly, I feel that starting off with three micro contracts should be your sweet spot. I've already showcased on this stream that you can make a lot of money with three micro contracts. I've showcased that plenty of times. We've made a lot of money trading three micro contracts. Is a lot of room for error. Being able to scale in with an additional three micro contracts, having a max position of six micro contracts, we've made a lot of money. You can definitely make money trading micros. But the downside of that strategy is that you have to be very patient. You have to get in that support and you have to get out at resistance. The Nasdaq, let's actually go over that today. Let's go. Let's actually, I'm gonna put in this data. Moving forward next week, I will not be tracking the ES anymore. Yesterday showed me that the ES is just not the instrument for me. It's just not. Bullish trend to the downside. Yesterday showed me that in times of trouble, the Nasdaq will always be the instrument that's going to get me to where I need to go. We talked about this yesterday. I was able to I was literally down to my last $500 and I was able to bring that account back to 14K yesterday. I made 14K overall, I think, but I was able to bring that account back and I was down. I mean, the Nasdaq took it away, so it's not like I probably wouldn't have lost that in the ES, but just to be able to get that money back in one trade really just opened my eyes to just the possibility. Like if I didn't go tilt and just waited for the setup. I mean, all that money that I made to bring my account back could have been sitting in my account as profit. And we did the math on it yesterday that all right, so that's how I'm gonna set it up. But yeah, we did the math on it yesterday that hold on, give me a second, let me fix this. That top to bottom on the ES yesterday, all I would have made was $6,600. If I literally caught the top and bottom, I only would have made $6,600. I didn't even catch the top, but I did get out close to the top, or I didn't get close to the bottom. I started my entry at 151 and I got out of my position around 670, leaving about 60 points still left on the, or actually, so it was 60 points to the downside minus 75. So I left 76 points to the downside, 60 points to the upside, leaving a total of 136 points unclaimed. And that would have been an additional $2,700 on top of the extra money I made. So I got out at 670 minus 151. So I got 519 points and I was able to make 10K from that just off of one move. Just off of one move, was able to make 10K. All right. And then that's something else that I was thinking about too. I was actually thinking about, I think that's probably what subconsciously what I want. And I think, and as much as I hate to say it, I think subconsciously I'm doing all of that on purpose so I can have a comeback story. I mean, I do love the fact that I was able to bring this account back. I will never take that away from myself because it took a lot of stubbornness. I mean, it was a whole lot of stubbornness in that trade. It was, I'm gonna hold this shit. I'm not taking profits. Like it's either this thing hits my target or it hits my stop. There's no in between that. So I mean, it took a lot of staying true to what I said I was going to do in order to accomplish that. And this time it worked out. But I can't sit here and say that I don't recognize that I just wanted a comeback story. Like if you watch the Boondocks, where it says that Tom wanted his Mighty Ducks moment. I feel like that's what I wanted, and that's kind of what I subconsciously moved to, trying to win back what I lost to have a comeback story, so I can have a story to share with the guys. Like I came back from adversity. I was able to overcome adversity. Blah 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 blah. Um, mm, okay, close. I'm just doing some homework right now, guys. That's what I'm looking at and looking at the other screen. Just doing some homework. I would highly suggest that you should take down this data too. I mean, there's something about the our minds when we write it down, we retain it. Your hands are an extension of your mind, and when you write things down, that's literally you programming your mind. Literally, that's why all professionals would suggest that you always write down your goals so you can tell your mind which goal that you wanted to achieve. And what I found is when I input this data, this information stays in my head. Okay. I feel like I'm missing something though. I feel like I'm missing something. All right. Okay. Shit, I think I made so I made about what 5600 in this account. Probably so I made 56 in that account. Oh shit, my bad. My bad. My bad, Smith. My bad. Hey, all right, my bad. I really don't know why. I don't even kick myself out this room. I don't know why. This thing kicks me out. But you should be on.
That's Discord for you, man.
Yeah. No, yeah, Nate, it was just on one contract. One contract. Was able to bring that account back.
Yeah, that's no joke. I mean, like I told you the other day, you gotta lock in because with only one contract to make that much money, 5 figures is crazy.
Yeah. Like I said, it was pure stubbornness. I was not going to close that damn thing. I was not closing.
You
Not
talking about
closing.
was it the long or short?
It was a long. I mean, I was going to flip short, but I was like, dude, you pushing your luck. You are pushing your luck, but maybe obviously in hindsight, I should have took the damn thing. But I was like, nah, I'm not even going to do that. Because I got out at, where was that? Like 670. I got out at 670. Yeah, so I got it at 670. And then I saw that it was still going. So I added one more, got to 720-ish, and then I was like, okay, let me see what it does. And then it dropped right back into this area. I took that scalp and said, I'm done. And then I was like, nah, you can't be done. It's like I just went long at every area of support. And then this is when I sent you that message, because I was in this long too. And the thing
Yeah.
didn't finish until after the cutoff. And I was like, no, that's not fair. No, no, no. It's like after that damn cutoff, it's like that's when the market really moves after that cutoff.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, and they know it too.
Yeah, I think that's done purposely.
Yeah.
How you doing in your comp account?
I didn't trade it. I traded the Apexes, and after that, I was like, all right, let me just relax.
Mm-hmm.
Um, I'm still sitting at what was that 17K.
Mm-hmm.
Let me check the standings.
Oh,
Ain't checked
dude.
that.
Okay. Yeah. Dude, it are the same people still in first place. That's the thing. Today was brutal. Today was brutal. Only professionals. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can see it. I mean, they're still up. Oh, look at your boy. Look at your boy. Look at your
Where you
boy. 171st place. Let's go.
at? Okay.
But we need to get in that top 10 though.
You at 71. Oh, so you like up there with, oh no, I think I lost. Did I lose money in that? Oh, I did. I lost a little bit. I think yesterday,
Did
last
you?
night streaming.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, cause yeah, I don't know what. I see this thing ain't popping up.
Well, I mean, there's no rush, bro. And
Yeah,
don't,
yeah, no.
it's no rush.
Well, I'm gonna beat you though, but yeah, yeah, no rush.
I don't gotta be first place. I just gotta beat you.
Okay, yeah, yeah. I lost like like probably like 1,000, maybe
Damn, dude, for
1,100
real.
yesterday. Yeah, I got 16K in the account, but yeah, that's okay. Let's look at the competition. You damn 350%, 35,000. Yeah,
I think he lost some.
you
I
think so?
mean, dude,
What
today
he
was
said?
crazy. Today was I mean, if like I said, if you made money today, you should be very proud of yourself because the Nasdaq was on one. And yeah, yeah. Uh the market is literally trading in a 62-point range for the last 4 hours. And this is the Nasdaq we're talking about. I expect this crap on the ES, but not the Nasdaq.
The ES is probably worse. It's probably in a 3-point range.
Shit, I wouldn't be surprised, dude. I wouldn't be
Wow.
surprised. Yo, no way. Hey, you want to know how? Yo, okay. I was about to say. I was like, dude, I know it's not
Is
50-point.
what, like a four and a half, 5-point range?
It's in a 15-point range. I guess we can't play her too much. She's in a 15-point range. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna focus on this comp account, man. I think I'm gonna focus on this damn thing. I think I'm gonna keep that strategy that I had today. I'm just gonna scalp. I'm just gonna take my
how many
my points and run,
how many trades did you take today?
bro.
That's a that's the real question.
I took trades, bro. Like I was trading.
Like
Like,
200 trades.
bro, God, the Nasdaq is addictive. You don't really notice it until you have one contract. Like because the Nasdaq will hit your targets if you have like a nice base hit target, like a 40, 50-point target. The Nasdaq will hit it, and then you'll just feel empty inside, or you feel it's like it's I need to be in. I need to be in something. I need to see some green, some red. I need to see something. And yeah, I was impatient. I was like, fuck. I mean, now I gotta wait for it to. No, I'll just get in and just take the drawdown. I'll get in and just take the drawdown. Yo,
I mean, when you only got one contract, that changes everything.
yeah, it
Because
definitely does.
you got to really strategize with that mess. That's why I was so salty still that I missed the 400 points. Because that was a beautiful entry.
Yeah, it was.
I should have, you know what the thing was? I was like, because I was at work, I was like, well, I left my computer up, I left the charts up, everything is right there. Let me just let her manage it for me. I could have, all I had to do was sign in on my phone, but I didn't want to take all that time or whatever to do that
Mm,
because it was a New York Open. You know,
yeah.
anything could happen. So I was like, all right, it's up. She can manage it. She said she went to go put a limit and somehow I was like, I saw that come across my phone. I was like, ah, you closed it.
Ruined his whole day. He had a bad day at work because of that.
I said, ah,
Why
said
are you
order
mad, Smith?
filled. I was like, I just missed out on 400 points. Don't talk to me. But you got 70. No, that's nothing. In the grand scheme of things, that's absolutely nothing. Ah,
Yeah,
wow.
especially in the Nasdaq. That is, dude. Yeah, let's actually look at that real quick. Yeah, I just got done making it all pretty for the stream. Yeah, uh, so like I said, I've come up with a new term because even though we were We did trade in a range today. It was a trending range, and that's a term I'm going to start using from now on. So we had two bullish trending ranges in a row where the market started off really bearish. So we had a 416-point move to the downside this morning, followed by a 510-point move to the upside with a 148 rejection at the end of the day. That's what the Nasdaq did today.
That's been happening like, what's that, the second day in a row it did that?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we start off bearish, super down, then we get that pop.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not gonna lie, I wasn't expecting the first. No, today was different. I was like, okay, you can expect that. But the first one, I was surprised. Like, damn, you try to big up the Bears, but they can't hold. They can't even hold it for a day.
Nope.
They stay getting clapped long term.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, long term.
Temporary.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah, you're right.
Can't even enjoy a 400-point move down, 500 points down. Like, dang.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, if you're looking at the data right now, you can, I mean, obviously I got it color coded so you can just look at it at a glance and see what's happening. I mean, this entire year so far, I mean, the Bears have been stepping it up. We've had some red days 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We've had some red days. This is very different from last year because we had no red days last year. You didn't see no red last year. The only thing that was red was all the blood from the Bears. And that's all you see. That's all you saw. But yeah. You talking about the ES 5750 double bottom on ES? Yeah, yeah. Yeah. I've already deleted the ES chart. I still got it on my side chart.
Blasphemy.
ES is no longer one of the main ones. She's no longer the main. Says
I still utilize her to kind of. Matter of fact, let me look at it in comparison to NQ today. Let's see, they look somewhat similar. There's that move. What was that move at 12:05? My gosh, just 100-point drop.
What?
And then the ES, that was 24 points on the ES.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And ES is a size queen. That's all she is. She is definitely a size queen. You're not putting size on ES, you're not making money. But yeah, with this competition account, you can only use one contract. So that's definitely I mean,
That's out of the question.
Yeah, that's out of the question, dude. You're not even making money. It's not only does it's not like the ES gives the money to you quick and fast, but she gives it to you in structure, and it's like, nah. I mean, it's not gonna give you what you want. And yeah, we got a double bottom at 750, just like Yunus said. And I mean, on the ES, you know what this is. Honestly, what I probably should do if I'm going to be so bold, I would probably long this. I would probably long this if I'm going to be so bold. Should I long this?
Take that long? I mean, I'm in the long right now, but I'm in micros because this day 5. I could close this out and be good, but I wanted to hit my targets just for the pride of the position.
Huh. Because I'm looking at the ES. Huh. You got a double bottom. We got a breakout, and we know the ES don't lie. And she's pulling back into previous resistance that's looking like hella support right now. She can move. Yeah, 910 is actually a great spot right here for the bears to come in. Honestly, I'll be surprised if they don't. Like, I really would be surprised if the bears don't come in around like 910 on the ES. 914. So I'll definitely keep my
Oh,
eyes out on that level tomorrow if we see it. I mean,
I
it's
want,
right next to R4 and it's right next to the 200 EMA. I'm sorry, you said what?
man, I was gonna say, I wonder how Mohammed been doing. He probably on vacation. I swear he don't need to trade. He just be trading just to add on.
Yeah. I mean, shit. What else you gonna do? What else you gonna do? I mean, shit. Ain't nothing else but trading in life. What else you gonna do?
Go enjoy the fruits of your labor.
Nope.
He
You
said
know.
nope.
Nope. We trading, baby.
Take a day, enjoy it.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's
Mm.
crazy to see what because man, we tried that too, putting on like 100 contracts, 200 contracts.
Mm-hmm.
That ain't no joke.
Yeah, it really did put things into perspective. I seeing life from his perspective. Like, oh, okay, this is why you say the things you
This is
say.
why he closed. Yeah. He said, if it goes against me, I immediately close. Like, yeah, you have to. With that size.
Yeah, like yo, just being down negative 50K, negative 60K. You're like, damn, damn.
Yeah. Imagine being in a position and sitting through a little bit of drawdown before it finally goes your way. Yeah, that's
Oh
like
yeah. Yeah.
torture.
Yeah, well, Mohammed says, yeah. Well, I mean, shit, if it's me, if it's not my money, I mean, I'm okay seeing the red. I mean, as long as it goes green, I'm okay with it. Not my money.
Dude.
It's not my money.
So the structure, yes, looks very similar to MQ, so that's good.
Mm-hmm.
They finally locked in with each other. None of that I do my own thing, you do yours BS.
Mm-hmm. Hmm. You said like running a marathon? What do you mean by that, you know? What do you mean by that? Dude, I think this is gonna go long. I think this is gonna go long. I think I should go long.
Check out MBT. I'm surprised. So I'm surprised you ain't short the 100K Bitcoin, and then we had that crazy drop down into like the low 80s.
Mm-hmm.
That's 20. Yeah, it dropped to like 80, 81 here. Yeah, that's 20,000 points on a short from
As crazy as it's
100K.
gonna sound, bro. As crazy as this is gonna sound, I deleted Bitcoin off my chart.
Dang.
She don't challenge me. She's easy. She's easy.
You don't want easy money?
No.
That's wild. I get it. That's wild.
Okay,
Well,
so
first target hit.
That's interesting. So I think I mean I don't want to say anything bad about MFF because they've been good. But the one thing that I've been noticing lately is that my MFF will randomly disconnect. Like this shit will random. So all that stuff that I was talking about, I thought it was Apex. It was actually MFF
Hmm.
because it was when I was in that long in my MFF account, I came back, my account was disconnected. It was
Dang.
disconnected. Like literally, like there was no connection to Rhythmic or nothing. And what I'm starting to see it do now a lot of the times is that if I buy stop limit into a position, and there's no, it's not like this thing is super volatile or nothing. Like it will half fill it. Like it's like a price will touch my limit, and it sets it into an execution state, but not a fill state. And then if price comes back and touches the limit again, then it actually fills the second time. And it's like I've been noticing it do that a lot. And it's like, why the hell is it doing that? Why?
Are those
Why?
no issues? You gonna put in a ticket? Be like, hey, just looking out, like this is what it's been doing, and it's kind of dangerous. You over here effing with my positions like that.
Hell yeah, dude. Because y'all saw me. See, like right now, that position is working right now. It's working, even though it got hit. It's working right now. So it's been doing that crap. And then I don't know if let me see if I can cancel it. Yeah. All right, so I canceled it. Hmm. All right. Because I mean, if this thing is gonna go to where I think it's going, or should I just have a okay, so I'm thinking that this thing can potentially go, man, this thing's gonna probably shoot up, man. All right, so I think this thing could potentially go to about like maybe 800, maybe 805. Like if we see price move to 800, we can potentially see a drop at 800. And you know what? All right, man. That's probably what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna probably gonna set a limit right here. Cause I mean, you know the Nasdaq does that shit though. But then I would prefer to be in this thing long though.
Yeah, I'm about to go to sleep as soon as this thing hits my target.
Where's your target at?
My second one is just 10 points away. All I need is 10 points.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna leave it right there. Yeah, I'll leave it right there.
Be my 10
Yeah.
points.
I mean, I wish it would let me set multiple limits. I mean, if we do see a pullback, uh, price coming back into this range right here is probably you'll probably see like a little quick little bounce right here. If price comes back right here, because I mean, this is a lot of liquidity right here. I mean, it was enough liquidity to push this market up to 725 before we saw the bears come in. So if price pulls back into this range, I do expect for, if not a reversal or not a reversal, but I mean, at least a bounce back into resistance potentially. But in 2024, this right here probably would have never happened. It would have been too bullish for it to just sit here in this little area and do nothing. Dang.
Dang. Wait, you in the comp too, Nate?
21,450. Oh no, are you in long right now targeting 21,450?
Shoot. If you got in long on that day, was that Monday? Was that Monday? When we got to 20,000, like 60 or 70 was the low.
Mm,
Man. If you got it long down there, then damn. And hell, well, you can't. If you could swing, that'd be crazy.
yeah, it definitely would be. Man,
They knew better yeah, they knew better on that.
yeah, they took a lesson from you, Prophet. You Prophet found out. I think what they tried to do with the swing account was to get people to never close their position and to give them the one. These casinos know if they can get you to chasing a win, even no matter how much or how logical you are, and you just know that you're chasing, you're gonna do it because emotions always override logic. Always.
Oh man.
Dang.
But Nate, yeah, you'd have been up in the top. What is it? Yeah, you've been top 10 with that.
Mm.
Because right now, well, as of this, I don't know if it's changed. When did they even update it? That's the maybe end of day.
Yeah, it's usually updated in a day.
But as of right now, top guy got 35K profit. Um, Second is 25, third is 22, and then so on and so forth. I'm in 216th place, but that'll change tomorrow. I'll be in first tomorrow. No, one contract, make it like 30K. That's locked in.
Yeah. Hold on, guys.
I don't feel like I'm waiting for this 10 points.
I get it fast. Go alone. Mm. Yeah. Yeah, when I was I'm not gonna lie, like I was telling Smith. I mean, I may have told you guys. The first day, if just would have walked away and quit, I would have been in first place. It wouldn't have been long lived, but I would have been in first place the first day. The guy made 5K the first day. I made 51 or 5200 the first day. So I would have been in first place. But for whatever reason, after that, I just went on a losing streak. Like I literally was down to my last $500. I couldn't believe I lost 15K like that. I couldn't believe like what the market hit us with that big drop. I didn't expect us for us to drop like that, but it just did. And it just kept dropping. And when you got one contract, you gotta take it. Well, pause. Yeah, you gotta.
Hey, yo. That's a straight Cam and Mace moment.
I mean, you gotta take the opportunity when you see it. You got only one chance. It just went downhill from there. It just seemed like I don't know, like everything just didn't want to work. Like the positions I was in, it didn't want to work. Yeah, it just didn't seem to want to work. So, oh man, I think I may have missed. I think I may have missed this. I think I might have missed this, man. It looks like the Nasdaq wants to kind of shoot up. I might have missed it.
Yeah. I'm at long at 599.
Mm-hmm.
This is micros. And this is day 5. I'll be done with this ish finally. This is the longest 5 days. I mean, I started last Friday.
Mm-hmm.
So then I had the weekend to sit through and think about
it.
everything.
Yeah.
I forget how much I made on first day. Actually, let me see. I got it up here. I'm tripping. 1,600 on the first day, which was already too much because it got 50% consistency. Second day, I was like, nah, F that. 1,800. Third day, just, a little light 800. And then technically today it was 300. And now, because right now it counts as tomorrow, I'm up like 200 and I'm about to call it as soon as it hits this target and stop playing around. Some might say, no, just take it. It's right there. You're only a couple No.
No. No.
Has to hit this target now. Just for that, I'm move it up. Just for even saying that. Targets moved up 23%. Fib to fib.
Hey, Sean, what are you asking? He says, just curious if you could reach OT. What is that? What does that mean? Yeah, I don't know what that means. I just clarify what you mean. But yeah, I mean it's the target, baby. Target, man. Damn. Dude, the Nasdaq, every time when you realize that, oh shit, this is a good position, and then that's when she wants to run away from it.
Get in, take the drawdown.
No.
Take the drawdown.
Nah. The Nasdaq taught me something yet today. On one contract, yo, that drawdown is crucial because you can't. It's like, well, shit. If I take the drawdown, I can always scale into one more contract. Yeah, no.
Yeah. Yeah, it's something different when that's all you got and you stuck.
Mm-hmm.
You gotta make a decision. Dang, do I close this?
Shit, if this thing keeps going down, shit, I'm long at the top. I'm long at the top. Yo, I did that to
That's
myself earlier today. I was like, fuck.
yeah, that's pretty much what happened to me in them Apex accounts.
Really?
I was like, damn,
Hold
I
on,
was
the
just trying to
Apex
keep
account.
them.
Oh
Yeah.
yeah, that trailing drawdown. Okay, yeah, yeah. You was heavy, huh? Long, strong, and heavy, huh?
Nah, I wasn't even heavy for that was only two cons, but them
Oh
drops, those pops and drops today were serious.
yeah, they definitely was,
Like,
man.
damn,
It
I'm
definitely
talking
was.
like 50, 60 point swings. I'm like,
Mm-hmm.
sheesh. Nobody's surviving that. Especially if you heavy.
Yeah.
I was just trying to get them to take it a little bit higher. But like, yeah, nah. Didn't work out. It's all good though. Lessons were learned.
Yeah, Nate, that's definitely true, man. That's kind of why I've been trying to find something an alternative to Nasdaq when she's being crazy. I guess her aunt Flo is probably in town because that's how she was acting today. Crazy. She was all over the place. Like, look at what she's doing at support. I mean, like, dude, she literally was making 30, 20 to 30 points. Okay, so 627 all the way down. Like, dude, she was literally making 30-point sweeps. She was stopping people out at support. She's not supposed to do that. Yeah, dude, she was doing 30-point sweeps at
Target
support.
filled, baby. Target filled.
Yo,
Good
congrats.
night.
Uh man, NQ, why did you do that to me? I deserve to be a part of that. I deserved it. I
And
called it out. I said, dude, that's a long. And then I didn't get filled. Oh, I guess the NASDAQ didn't do to me. MFF. Had nothing
yeah,
bad to say about you.
all I had to sit and wait for that little move.
Hmm.
But yeah, that's it for me tonight and tomorrow. I should be funded by it'll be Friday because I
Friday.
gotta wait until yeah, because tomorrow Thursday, right?
Hmm.
Yeah, I gotta wait until the end of the day Thursday to get the congratulations pass.
Oh, so it's the ninth the first is the last day or tomorrow's the last day?
Tonight, this Wednesday night counts for Thursday.
Oh, does it? Oh.
So yeah, so Wednesday once the market opens back up again,
Mm,
it counts towards Thursday.
okay. And
Or
let me
yeah,
guess. Let me guess. You're gonna jump in on Friday with your funded account,
I don't know.
or you're gonna wait until
I
Monday?
might not. Yeah, I
I
might
think
wait
you
till.
should.
I
I think
mean,
you should wait until Monday, bro.
and if I mean, I'm thinking about that. It depends on how what the mood of the market is. And if I might do a couple like just eye tests, like okay, yeah, I'll short here or I'd long here, and just see if I'm right. But
Yeah,
and
bro.
even if I do trade, it'll be micros. It'll be micros, just because I need to. Because this has been a green week. I ain't had no green week in feels like ages.
Yeah,
and,
yeah. I
and
usually
then,
lose a couple accounts on Friday.
yeah, on the eval side, so
Hmm.
I'm gonna just chill out. Unless it's like it's got to be pristine. If it's a pristine setup, if you see it and I see it and everybody else sees it, I'm like, okay, I'll take it. But yeah,
All right, bro. I mean, we was just talking about this, but take profit. This is done purposely. And I'm glad that you're sharing your internal feelings because this is
What
exactly
you
what I
mean?
said. I mean, they know what the hell they doing, dude. They are not your friends. They can keep you in there for 5 days, get you all anxious, like, damn, I'm trying to get into that funded side, man. I'm trying to get there. And then when you finally get there, they hit you with that trail and drawdown because they know that you are anxious to get into the funded account. They know that you want to make some money, get see the green in the account, and then
Yeah.
it's one thing that if you didn't get daily payouts, that's one thing. But then there's daily payouts. And then it's like you could get a payout if you keep going. You're over the threshold. Keep going.
Yeah.
Payout.
I mean, that was kind of my mindset today with the Apex. I was like, damn, I'm almost at the point where it stops trailing. Almost at that threshold. And I was like, all right, let me just get this last little scalp. I'm like, let me get this last little scalp long and then I'll short. And
Mhm.
then I was too late. I was too late in the game for that.
And I appreciate that, Sean. Yeah, yeah, sure. Oh. Alfred, TPT's number one, the CEO basically now.
That's their nemesis right there. They want to take him out by any means possible.
I will not stand for any TPT slander.
I'm about to join you. I'm about to join you and bankrupt them. 100K again. Let's do it.
Blasphemy. But yeah, Smith, yeah. Yeah, you should become their worst nightmare again, man. You letting them off the hook. You letting them off too easy. You should have never took your foot off their neck. Now they worrying about Alfred. She was like, man, first it was Smith, now it's Alfred. Who are these guys? Who are these guys?
They're an Avengers level threat. We gotta take them out. Yeah.
Omega level threats. We can't
Nah,
stop these
Alfred, you
guys.
can't include BCT in that. She committed blasphemy on my account the other day. She can't be mentioned. At least not right now. Till I get over it.
Smith kicked BCT out. Oh man, that's funny.
Committed traitor blasphemy.
Blasphemy. Order fill. Oh.
When I saw the notification, I was like, ah, you closed it. She messaged me, OMG.
OMG.
I was like, man, I knew before your message even got to me, I saw the order fill. I'm like, what? Uh,
I ain't kissing you goodnight. I'm not going to give you a I'm mad at you.
yeah, she's been banished.
I'm gonna have to use our daughter as a proxy. When I kiss her, she can kiss you, and that's how we kiss from now on. Go give this kiss to your mama.
It was that bad. She cost me 400 points, Alfred. 400 points.
400 points.
470 points to be exact. 78.
That's 9,500.
Yeah, which account? Was that the comp account? I think it might have been the comp account. Yeah, that would have put me up there in the ranks. It's all good though. I gotta
Yeah.
keep telling myself that. Though, I mean, the way this week's been going with these big swings, I love
Hmm.
it.
Yeah. But
Yeah. But all right, y'all. Let me go ahead and get out of here because I've been waking up late for work.
all right, bro.
Trying to stream London, but every time I try to stream London, something happened. Like last night, we had like a power surge. It was a storm or whatever, and knocked me off the stream. Knocked out the internet temporarily. I was like, oh well. All right,
Really?
going to bed. Yeah.
Dang.
And then the other night before that, I think the NVIDIA broadcast crashed the computer because it's using up too much GPU or whatever.
Mm-hmm.
I was like, man, I can't win for nothing to get a clean London stream. And tonight I'm not doing it. I'm tired. I gotta go to sleep.
Yeah.
So
No. All right. Yeah, I'm about to yeah, I'm probably about to follow you. Yeah, because for whatever reason, well, not for for whatever reason, getting your adrenaline high from the Nasdaq is tiring, apparently. After that, I was
yeah,
like, dang, like, dude, I literally for the first time I was about to text you, but then I was like, nah, he's not gonna think it's me. He's gonna probably think my account is hacked. But I was about to text you and be like, dude, I don't even want to look at the Nasdaq right now. I don't even want to look at the Nasdaq until I get back on the charts for the evening stream.
it can be mentally draining.
Yeah, it is, dude. Yeah. Yeah, the Nasdaq shit. She caught me too, cause I was like, man, she caught me somewhere where I was like, damn, okay, this thing's gonna probably keep going. And then she came down. And then if I didn't get back in stubbornly, I would have missed this move. I forgot where it was at. And I was like, man, I gotta be on my toes with her because she was just doing all this bullshit all day. I was like, damn. But Sean says on the sim funded, how can you be a what? You can be a 1500 and the red on the 4 day 3K unsure what's going on. So you said that you was up 1500 and the red on the 4 day 3K. I think you may be using a translator, and that's probably why then you're probably using a translator or something like that. All right, so curious on the sim funded, how can you be up 1500 and the 4 day 3K? Unsure what's going on. Hmm. Yeah, Sean, let me try to think about what you're asking me because I think you're using a translator, and it's okay. So on the sim funded, how can you be up 1500? So he's up 1500 and the red on 4 day 3K unsure. So on the fourth day, so red on the fourth day and red on the fourth day. uh, Yeah, try to ask your question again, Sean. But all right,
All
bro.
right,
Yeah.
yeah, I'm about to hit the bed.
All right, man. Peace
All
out, man.
right, later.
Peace.
Peace.
All right. Yeah, I'm probably gonna be on for the next 5 minutes. Y'all guys know. I'm on the time limit. I gotta I clock in and I clock out at the same time, 10:15. Actually, I am kind of going 15 minutes over, but if I usually go over 10 o'clock, then well, I'll just stay until like 15. It really depends on how the energy is. And if the energy is dead, then, that's a good time to end the stream. So, but I guess before I get off, so the Symphonic calendar shows all trades corrected till today. It should be 7:49. It shows red 3K. Unsure what's up. Okay, so you're talking about your calendar. So you're saying that you didn't lose 3K today? It says it should be 7:49, but it shows red 3K. Yeah, so if that is a mistake, what you should do is take a screenshot of that. And if you're using MFF, you should be able to go on, like in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. You should be able to see this little chat box. Let me pull it up. I mean, you should be able to see it on your screen too. You really don't need me to show you. But you should be able to see, where is it at? You need to take a screenshot. You need to click on that and you need to talk to support and ask them. And if it's something that's out of your power, if you didn't lose 3K today, then they should be able to fix that. They should, if you didn't lose the money yourself. Now, if there was like a situation, because I faced this situation myself, I actually had an issue. Well, it's not an issue, it was my fault. I left the limit on and that limit got filled. And obviously, a random limit never works. I mean, the market gods literally have to be on your favor to get a random limit fill, and it goes in your direction. And this is with Apex, so they didn't cancel my order. The market limit got filled, and I was down. And I was down 4K. The crazy thing is that account that I was down 4K, I think I passed it the next day. That's just how much it pissed me off, and I was like, nah, I'm gonna pass this account just for that. But um, are you sure you didn't leave a limit sitting around on your charts or anything like that? Just look at your orders. If you're using Trade-O-Vate,
Connection lost.
And that's what I'm talking about. I don't know if y'all heard that connection lost, but I've been like, dude, MFS been randomly disconnecting. Like, I don't know what's up with that. What's up with that, MFF? Don't make me start talking bad about you because shit, I used to like you profit, but now they on my don't fuck with list. You can get on that shit too. But yeah, MFFs has definitely been disconnecting for me. I mean, I have been taking I think I'm at my 7th payout with them, or 6th or 7th with them. Mm-hmm. I think I'm going to reset my Blue Sky Live account. I didn't know that. So Blue Sky Live, well, I guess anybody does it though, but I'm gonna reset that account. I kind of went tilting that account for no reason. I'm gonna reset it to probably next week. Get a fresh start on that. It's only $250, so that's pretty cheap to be able to reset a phase 2 account. So yeah, Blue Sky has a 3 phases. I just realized that you got the evaluation, the Blue Live, and the brokerage account. So this is basically Top Step. It seems like now slowly but surely we're going back to the old ways. We will use the old ways. Okay. Yeah, make sure you have that evidence when you send the support ticket, and they should be able to help you out. But yeah, it looks like that long entry would have worked. MFF. What's up with that? Damn. Damn it, damn it, damn it. That long entry would have worked. Ugh. That is frustrating. That is super frustrating. That is frustrating. Hmm. All right, so I mean, I'm kind of debating. We'll talk about this and then I'll end the stream. I'm kind of debating if I should take the short at 800. I'm really debating on that because if we run 730, I doubt 800 stops. Like I doubt it stops. But at the same time, I mean, there was enough orders here to knock this thing down, but 800 might actually work. 800 might actually work. This actually might be a good short entry. So I'm debating if I should take it or if I should set a limit up here. Because I mean, there was enough orders here to knock price down. I mean, they run 720. I mean, 800 is definitely where they're going, but then they can go up to 900. Hmm. I doubt they get to 830. I doubt we see that. Hmm. Maybe. Hmm. And there was enough orders here to do that, though. Okay. All right. So this is what I'm gonna do. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm going to trust it, but I'm not going to trust the Nasdaq. I'm going to give it 36 points, just 9 more points. Because I think, I mean, I doubt we see a move like that overnight. I doubt it. But if we do, I definitely want to be a part of it. But if we do, I mean, I'm fighting demons right now. Fighting demons. I think that's a good trade right there. I think that's a good trade right there. I think that's a good trade. 720. How many points is that? 180 points down. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, I'm glad that I was able to fix that. Yeah, the Nasdaq is definitely nasty. So Rose has said it. Yeah, yeah, Rose. Yeah, the Nasdaq was really nasty today. Nasty today. She was nasty, nasty, and that's what has me thinking tomorrow. Like, I mean, I don't know, man. I'm gonna take the trade. I'm gonna keep the limit here, just in case. Just in case. I'm not gonna sit here and say that I enjoyed the fact that I didn't get filled. I don't want to miss it. I don't want to miss this. I don't want to. Mm, mm. Let me look at. Uh, That's 200. That's damn near about 200 points back. All right, I'll leave it there. I'll leave it there. Scared money don't make money. I mean, I'm not scared, but um, I'm not scared of it or nothing. Mm. All right, I'm gonna leave it right there. I think that's a good spot. That's probably a good spot right there. I really don't want to give it. I don't want to give it too much, just in case it does shoot up to 900. But yeah, I'll leave that there. I'll leave it there. Mm. You said at 10 o'clock, 9 o'clock. If you're 10 o'clock Eastern time, that's 9 o'clock Central for us, and usually that's an algo at that time. It doesn't matter what comes off. It like with that 9 o'clock algo, 10 o'clock Eastern, 9 o'clock Central. Honestly, the news doesn't matter. The market is going to react in a volatile manner just because of that algo. The same reason why the death bot at the last 10 minutes of the market, you see a bunch of volatility. Its little brother or sister, however you want to categorize it, is at 9 o'clock, and the big brother is at 250. So that's all that's going on at that time. That's why I don't particularly care if there's news at 9. I just know that we're going to see some volatility at that time. So, yeah. But all right, guys, that's it for me. I'm gonna go to bed. We'll definitely look for more opportunities to make more money tomorrow. I don't think we got too much. I know we got news at 6:30. So just be mindful of that. I think that's all we really have tomorrow to watch out for. But obviously on Friday we have non-farm and all that other stuff. So that's definitely going to be things to look out for. But with that said, we'll come back tomorrow morning and we will look for ways to earn more money. And with that said, peace out, everybody. Have a good night.